Hey there, this is your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, and I have your product picks and preview for campaign 10 of 2019. And this will be kind of a quick one. I've got just a few new products to share with you, and all but one of them are from our new vitamin C line, or our revamped vitamin C line. And first up, we have our new vitamin C serum. And we have had a vitamin C serum for a while. This is a new and improved formula. And what it's mainly for, you're going to be wanting to get the vitamin C serum if you're noticing dull, tired looking skin. So this helps to refine the texture of the skin and visibly improves your skin tone. So it helps to brighten up the skin. And 99% of women who expressed their opinion agreed that it instantly boosted their skin's radiance, which is something that a lot of women are looking for. So it is clinically proven to brighten your skin after the first use by up to 44%. And if you've used our vitamin C serum before, you probably know our old serum had kind of it was a thicker formula, had kind of like a tacky finish to it. It never really felt like it soaked in. In fact, I actually preferred to use it at night. I didn't like to use it during the day. This one you can use day or night. And it helps, if you follow it with your moisturizer like you should. But this formula absorbs much more quickly, doesn't have that tacky feel, and it also has a better scent than the old one did. I didn't find the old scent too much, but it did have a little bit of an alcohol-y note to it. So I'll show you here, put a little bit of it here, and show you one little drop. Whoops, set that down on top of the cap there. Goes a very long way, so it does have, you can see how much it covers. Like one drop for me is enough for my face, and down, I like to use it down where I have some discolorations further down on my neck. So it absorbs much more quickly than the old version did and doesn't have that tacky, sticky feel to it. So that shows you how much, that's how much that covers, and I could probably go a little farther with it, but it absorbs much more quickly. So, my standard routine with mine is each product that I put it on and give it about a minute before I move on to the next product. So this would be your first step after cleansing, daytime or nighttime, whichever works better for you, wherever it fits better in your regimen. So cleansing, then your serum or your treatment, followed by your moisturizer, and then that kind of seals it in. So the next step that we have that you can add for your vitamin C, get more vitamin C in your skincare diet there, is our new warming peel. And it's a warming peel exfoliant. So it's a mask, but it's a quick mask. So you can add it into your routine 2 to 3 times a week. And it's going to help restore the dull, tired skin to its natural radiance. It has a warming sensation when activated with water, and that opens up the pores and removes the impurities. I've had it long enough that I've been able to use it a couple times. I used it one day and then a couple days later. And I did notice that I got a lot of little kind of pinprick pimples, especially on my forehead, that just came up and went away really quick. So I think that's the effect of this kind of drawing out stuff. And the first time I used it, man, my skin was so smooth. It was like, I don't know if it's ever felt that smooth before. So it does have dual exfoliators. It has some vitamin C flakes, which is kind of a new thing, and seeds that buff your skin as you massage it on. So I'll do a little bit here just to show you how it works. And it has kind of an orange peel scent. It reminds me of orange zest that you use when you're cooking. So you put a little bit on, and then you rub it around and basically just cover the face, whatever areas you want to treat. So you rub that on, and then you want to get it wet. So you want to take just a little bit of water and massage it in, and it warms up. You can feel a warming feeling, and it's not uncomfortable warm. This did leave my skin a little flushed, a little red, but it went away very quickly. So you just kind of, and you can feel it's got a little bit of grit to it, but not a ton. So you just massage that in for about a minute, just all over the face, and then rinse it off. I will say that I like to rinse it off with a wet paper towel or a facial cleansing wipe rather than my washcloth. just because I find I have to rinse my washcloth a lot to get it all out. So then you just rinse that, and it just has a nice, again, like a nice smooth feeling, and helps wake up the skin. And you can actually see, can kind of compare my hands there a little bit. So this is the hand that I treated. It's just a little bit smoother, and it definitely feels a lot smoother. So I really wish you could see and feel that on the video. But that's how quick and easy it is to add that to your regimen. Is it just takes a couple minutes, and it's just 2 to 3 times a week. I kind of have a feeling, just the way my skin is reacting to it, that the first week I might do it 3 times a week, and then I'll probably switch to just 2 times a week will be enough. Kind of get into a maintenance phase there where you don't need to do as much. And then the last thing that we added to our vitamin C line is our vitamin C antioxidant lip treatment. And it's kind of like a lip, like a nice lip treatment, makes the lips feel really good, has vitamin C and E in it. And so it's an antioxidant lip treatment, helps protect your lips from the environment. It does have this kind of jarring orange color to the tube, but when you put it on, it is actually colorless. Let's see. Let's go backwards when I'm trying to do that. So you can see it is colorless. There's no color to it. If you've used our Beyond Color lip conditioner, it feels kind of similar to that. It's a little more lightweight than the Beyond Color lip conditioner. The Beyond Color lip conditioner feels a little bit more like it's coating the lip. This feels a little more lightweight, and yeah, it just helps to smooth out the lips, and it's easy to take with you and have that with you wherever you go. So that's our new vitamin C line. So not just our serum now, but you've got the mask, the exfoliating warming mask, and the lip treatment. And then that's actually all I have from campaign 10, except for our Wake Up Eyes A box. And this campaign's A box, again, this is always our specially selected bundle of products you can get for only $10 with any $40 purchase from this campaign. You have a full-size Hydrofusion depuffing serum, and this stuff has been quite a hit. Quite a hit. Got quite a few customers that are really enjoying this and the way it helps to depuff under their eyes. You have your full size, of course, Glimmer Stick brow definer in dark brown, and you have this special kit of brow stencils that you can use to help sculpt your perfect brow. And there's several different shapes you can use. So it comes with the kit with the stencils, and then the little brush. It's like a brush and comb on either side of it. So that is our Wake Up Eyes A box for $10 with any $40 purchase from campaign 10. And that's all I have for you this campaign. Hope you're all having a wonderful, wonderful week, and I will see you again soon.